Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and recall mail in Outlook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we simply start our. Then afterwards, what you're gonna do, simply gonna go ahead first access a particular Outlook app in your mobile phone. Make sure you're logged in with your account as well. Afterwards, you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this profile icon on top left corner of the screen and go to this option called send. Once you have tapped on it, you will find all of the emails that you have sent from your account itself. Now simply go ahead, open the particular email and simply open at the file info. And once you have opened that file info of your particular email, you're going to go ahead, click on this resend and recall message that will be available. Once you have recalled this message, select the option that will be available called delete unread copies of these messages, delete unread copies and replace with a new message, and tap on this tell me if I recall succeed or fails for reach recipient. Then afterwards select OK, and that you will be able to recall a particular email here in Outlook. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.